Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of error on the application of Pinterest. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about the application of Pinterest. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store, you will search about the application of Pinterest, then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.